Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, good to have you here. Subscribe before you leave. If you had been here before and you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Guys, before I start my video, I always tell people it's a reaction channel. Not only because we are reporting Jaden, but it is a reaction channel. Mainly react on the news. We're not here to fight, to argue. We are a respectable channel. So, now I have to be back on Jaden Smith. If you guys notice, today I post something different, but it keeps going over my mind. You know, wondering where this little boy could be, what happened to this little boy. And what we are really talking about here is a missing child, Jaden Smith, just 11 years old. He's a young boy who has disappeared without a trace. And the pain and uncertainty that come with that, it's a heartbreaking situation. And I want to emphasize how urgent and serious this is. The police have apparently called off the search. But that doesn't mean the case is closed. No. That just means the search needs to be reignited. Because a missing person, especially a young boy, just like Jaden, is possibly unalive. And new information emerged. What's most troubling is the emerging information. Things that raise questions about what really happened. What happened to Jaden? Where is he? New information emerged that the auntie called the principal before she called the biological mother. Why? That's a red flag. It suggests that there might be more layers to the story than what's been told publicly. And then there's the family dynamics. Allegations that the auntie works where? At an Airbnb. Who does that Airbnb belong to? That belongs to the principal. And the confusion over where Jaden was last seen or last known to be. The family says he hasn't seen his cousin, one that lives in the United States, since 2021. And the step-uncle mentioned say she stays at her mother's workplace when she comes to Jamaica. These consistencies make it harder to get a clear picture of what's going on. Did the police search the workplace of the auntie in Spurtree? It's also concerning that there's talk of the police not having searched the home or the compound at Spurtree. If that's true, it's a failure of duty. Every stone needs to be turned, every possible lead followed, especially in a case involving a child's disappearance. There's also the troubling speculation about relationships, allegations that the principal and auntie might be involved in some inappropriate behavior. If it's true, that's a family tragedy on top of already devastating situation. Sometimes what happened in darkness comes out in a light. This sounds like confusion and betrayal. If this woman is so loose and deceptive, how must anyone believe what comes out of her mouth? They keep giving away each other. The husband says the daughter never come to the house. She always stays where her mother works. And the daughter says that she come to Jamaica every year. If this is true, she's upholding slackness, and they will do anything because they lack good moral behavior. And you know what? Most heartbreaking of all this is the question, why was Jaden seen in an area he wouldn't normally go? He was a good child, involved in school and church. He didn't run away or get into trouble. So why was he in an unfamiliar place? Was he lured there? Was he taken? These questions need answers, and they need them right now. And I have to say, the local police response or lack of response raises serious concerns. Do they know the parties? Are they friends with that family? We rely on law enforcement to protect our children, to find them when they are missing. If there's a failure here, it's a failure that could cost other young lives. Although in this case of Jaden, a life might not have been saved. My message to everyone involved: this isn't just gossip or speculation. It's a desperate call for action. If you know anything, if you saw anything, please come forward. Jaden's mother needs closure. And I'm not saying in this case Jaden's auntie, because the only person I saw who shed tears was the mother. She needs closure. And more than anything, she needs her son back. Whichever way she get back the son. Let's remember, behind all of the questions and allegations, this is about a young child who is missing someone's son, someone's brother, someone's friend. We must not rest until he is found, so that there can be closure and the guilty party held accountable.